Okay, so lightly salted and lightly peppered. Um, I don't like a lot of salt on my salmon, so not a lot. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of just spice sauce in here just to give it taste. Not a lot because I want the salmon taste. So basically this is just to give it a little bit of spice here. I'm gonna wrap it all around it. And then here is my lemongrass. Again, that's to give it some fresh spice taste. Okay, lemongrass is really great at that. Nah, no lemongrass no, toka. So draw a little bit of spice sauce, not a lot, just a little bit. And then here are some onions and garlic. Now again, I prefer obviously the green onions and the green cilantro and stuff, but I don't have that now, so gotta do with what I can. So now with this, I am going to massage it in there really good, and then I am going to broil that with soy sauce. Okay, not soy sauce. I'm sorry, with olive oil. Okay, in a pot. So what quite a bit of olive oil in there. All right, some more to come. When I get to that, I'm gonna massage it here, and get it all mixed in really good, and then yeah. So that's nó mò rong cho nó còn nè chú chú con ha nè ready là lâu nó chơi của yêu mochi olive oil. Okay, so all healthy stuff. So okay, more to come when I get there. Okay, so mà nó yeah của Ethan birthday, so người ta nên nó salmon nó so của salmon nó yeah nó giờ cái hát lo so của yêu mua channel and then của yêu mua broil with olive oil and obviously some black pepper, salt, and a few other things. So it's gonna be really delicious. This is one of my other way of doing salmon, is to broil it with olive oil and some spices. Now I don't have green onion and cilantro and other things. I'm gonna add a little bit of lemongrass too to add some spice to it, and then obviously some black pepper and salt and so on. So it's gonna look really good. I prefer the green onions and the cilantro along with it, but I don't have it, and so I don't need to go to the store or anything like that. I can get away with this. All right, more to come on that when this goes in the pot. Okay, so I lie. Apparently I do have some cilantro, so I am mixing it in here. So you can see there's a lot of all the spices are in there now, and cilantro is going in there too. And then I'm going to massage the cilantro in there, and this is going to give it a little bit of even more spicy taste to this thing. And this is for the kids, so I don't want to put hot pepper in there, but I would. If it was me, I would put some hot pepper on there too. A little bit is always good. Càng có chút tôi sai nó xin à. Okay, so cái giờ cho lấy củ cái nó tàu nhúng nè. Cái có ở đây nó kind of, this is one of my favorite dish. Okay, the way I cook it, not the way I buy it from the store or eat it at the restaurant, but the way I cook it is my favorite preparation of salmon so far. So and then I'm gonna flip it over. I will massage it all in there, and then when I cook it, I will show you what it looks like. Looks good. My kids are very expensive nowadays, but they salmon and or sushi thì là nó giờ là từ giờ lấy của giờ tôi dân sai mà chọn nhẹ nè tôi hay chọn nhẹ nè cái giờ tôi của dân sai có more expensive taste mà đây từ giờ tao mà chọn nhẹ nè alright more to come. Okay, so the olive oil goes in there, and be generous with it because you want the salmon to be kind of sealed in, and so then it tastes good. Okay, so now look at the spice. Okay, so be generous with the spice too, because you'll see why in a little bit here. Because the spices will become, part of the dish. They will complement the dish. Okay, so you don't end up eating just the salmon by itself. All right, so more to come in a bit here. Looking good. Okay, so first set goes in there, and yeah. So tashino moki miji có xá vò sana. Bây giờ cho cái chicken nó xá nó bây giờ. No, chicken nó nhông ya. Bây giờ cho chicken nó nhông. Cái bé nó ít nhiều xá rồi nó, có lăng rồi su hà là chỉ thành trái nó. Của nó lại nhông rồi thì nó thầu là cái sushi thì họ get little pieces, that's it. But I can't do raw, so we tend to cook it a little bit until it's kind of, orange out, and then we're good. Okay, so this is the first set. Just slowly broil it like this for a little bit, and then just flip it on the other side, and you're good to go. All right, but be generous on the spices, and that's okay because they're gonna complement the dish. Okay, so first set goes in there, and yeah. So tashino moki miji có xá vò sana. Bây giờ cho cái chicken nó xá nó bây giờ. No, chicken nó nhông ya. Bây giờ cho chicken nó nhông. Cái bé nó ít nhiều xá rồi nó, có lăng rồi su hà là chỉ thành trái nó. Okay, so here's the finished product. The spices are kind of browned up and a little cooked, and the fish are just about perfect. So, kana. Whoa, yes. Dinner will be served soon. And here is the rest of the salmon simmering away. Yes. Almost there. Dinner almost ready. All right. Delicious. Kana, my favorite. The way that salmon is prepped so far. I think if any of you guys try out there, you'll love it too. Okay, so here is the finished product. How many pieces stacked together? Countless, huh? This is the finished dish, and it's very tasty. This is how I love salmon to be. All right, enjoy, everybody. I'm certainly going to enjoy it, but the boy get to enjoy it first because this is what he wants for his birthday. So, oh well, but it'll be plenty for me. All right, bon appetit. Okay, so here is the finished product. How many pieces stacked together? Countless, huh? This is the finished dish. Okay, so it looks just about ready, but you can see the spices, why you need them and why you need to be generous with them. Okay, so your shadow almost there. Yellow shana. Chicken good. All right, dinner time. Dinner time.